Hi! Kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Saan?
Hindi ba yung Big Paradise?
Ay, oo, dun. Di, dito tayo may bato-bato, oh, mag-picture. Oh, pwede rin din. Falls. Halakab eh. Oh, squirrel.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Paradise.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
Mga iba't ibang klase.
I thought I would never be
Ay, kaya
fine.
pala siya tinawag na
I strive just to say I'm
Kasi
alright.
iba't ibang
And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Parang bata lang. Ay, nagdudo yan. Pambata. Nagdudo yan. Ay, madulas ha. Pasok tayo. Here.
Punta kami sa loob ng kuweba. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito sa
Ayan. Ah!
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. Got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like
Pwede naman dyan, no?
you're worried
A&W.
not fine. Feel I'm
Mura lang, Sel.
signs, but it'll be alright. You just gotta fight. What bad things happen to
Kahit early brunch na yan.
things like they should be blessed, they just might be. They just hear as gas, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams.
Na?
Damn it, you just gotta stay strong. When it all falls apart,
Pinatay mo, Sel.
when you feel let down,
Yung isa, single. Yung isa, taken na.
damn it, you just gotta stay strong. 'Cause sometimes things go wrong, and one day everything's gone. But you
yung sabot sa yung ceiling mo ba?
Oh.
stay strong. Know that it sucks and it hurts.
So here we are.
By the world at its
Welcome to Bird Paradise. Kaso dito lang kami sa bungad muna. Ayan siya, oh. Bird Paradise.
don't lose it. And one day things will get better. You just gotta get through stormy weather. What bad things happen to the best of us, it seems like they should be blessed. They just might be. They just hear as gas, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the damn it, you just gotta stay strong. When it all falls apart and goes wrong. When you feel let down and so lost. And it feels like you can't hold on. Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong. 'Cause sometimes things go wrong. And one day everything's gone. But you can make it out and move on. So damn it, you just gotta stay strong.
Yan, oh. Ang daming pumapasok.
I thought
Pahangin muna tayo. Laki ng ano, fan. Guys, papasok kami. May nagbigay sa amin ng free ticket. Galing daw sa company nila.
Way back a year ago.
Ngayon may nag-offer sa amin na free ticket. Bibigyan kami. Nakita lang kami dito sa labas. Kaya yan, in-offer kami na ano daw, kung gusto daw namin pumasok dahil free ticket siya. Thank you sa nagbigay ng free ticket. Thank you for the sponsor. Yan yung free ticket. Wow. Thank you so much.